There is a new AI agent called Moclaw that can do any task from a single chat interface. In this video, I'm going to test Moclaw across several practical use cases, including automated daily stock market updates, AI news emails, financial analysis in Excel, dashboard creation, presentations, and website development. If you'd like to try Moclaw yourself, I'll leave the link in the video description. You can try it for free without providing your card details. Let's get started with the first example. One of the best features of Moclaw agent is its scheduled tasks. Every day, I used to check Product Hunt and X to find new tools, AI news, and launches. It takes a lot of time, but now I can automate this. In the side panel, Moclaw offers connectors that allow you to connect to different platforms. Right now, you can connect to Google Workspace, Telegram, Slack, Lark, and more connectors are coming soon. I use just Telegram and Google Workspace, so I will connect those two. The agent will guide you through the process. After connecting the tools, I can use them for automation. I want to ask Moclaw to monitor Product Hunt and send me a daily email with new AI tools across all niches, structured by niche. Moclaw asks me for my email and preferred time, and then it starts working. It scans Product Hunt and collects all the new tools. After a short time, I received an email with all the new tools launched that day. Everything is nicely structured by niche with a short description, a link to Product Hunt, and the number of upvotes. At the end of the email, there is also a full summary of the daily launches. Moclaw also sets up a cron job to send this email every day automatically. You can see all your scheduled tasks in the schedule section. If you want to cancel a scheduled task, you just write it in the chat and the agent removes it. Now let's test another example using Telegram. I want to receive an automated daily stock market update so I don't need to spend so much time researching stocks anymore. So I will ask Moclaw to check the market every day and send me a summary of major global indices along with the top 10 gainers and top 10 losers. To set this up, Moclaw guides me through the process of creating a Telegram bot. Once everything is connected, it creates the scheduled task automatically. Now I will receive a daily market report every morning before the US market opens. The stock market report includes performance of major indices, overall market sentiment, top 10 stock gainers, and top 10 stock losers. You can also ask Moclaw to perform more advanced stock market research. For example, I ask it to find undervalued stocks in the information technology sector using specific valuation filters. I also specify that I want to receive the report on Telegram. The agent first performs deep research to find stocks that match my criteria, and then it guides me through the Telegram setup process. After the setup, I receive a report with 15 undervalued stocks. It includes key financial metrics such as forward price to earnings ratio, revenue growth, reasons the stocks may be undervalued, investment thesis, potential risks, and a final ranking summary. I find this report extremely helpful because it saves me hours of research. Now I want to test Moclaw's dashboard creation abilities. I have an online orders dataset containing information such as order dates, products, quantity sold, payment methods, order status, and total price. I will upload the dataset and ask Moclaw to create an interactive web app dashboard for analyzing sales, customers, and order performance. After a few minutes, the dashboard is ready. All generated files appear in the Files section. I will download the dashboard. The dashboard includes an overview with key metrics such as total revenue, number of orders, and average order value. It also shows an order status breakdown pie chart, an order status over time bar chart, monthly revenue, and order trends. On the Time Analysis tab, it shows the overall sales performance over time, including daily, monthly, and yearly revenue and orders. It also shows product insights such as top products by revenue, top products by quantity sold, and a product performance table. There is also channel analysis showing revenue by channel, orders by channel, and a channel performance summary. The dashboard includes payment method analysis with revenue by payment method, orders by payment method, and a payment summary. The dashboard looks very professional and it's easy to explore the data. Moclaw is also very strong when working with Excel files. For small business owners, manually creating profit and loss statements from transaction data takes a lot of time. I have a general ledger Excel file with account numbers, account names, debit and credit values. I upload the file and ask Moclaw to create profit and loss statements for all years included in the ledger, along with one summary sheet covering all years combined. In about a minute, the file is ready. I will download the file from the Files section. The profit and loss statement looks clean and professional. It includes one overview sheet for all 3 years and separate sheets for each individual year, exactly as I requested. Next, I want to test whether Moclaw can handle financial modeling and sales forecasting. For this example, I will use the same online sales dataset as for the dashboard example. I upload the data and ask Moclaw to create an Excel financial model with a 6 to 12 month sales forecast. I also specify exactly which sheets I want included. After about a minute, the file is ready. The Forecast tab includes forecasting assumptions such as which forecasting method the model uses, the forecast horizon, and other key details. It also includes a monthly revenue forecast table, total projected revenue for 12 months, growth estimates, historical average revenue, and projected year-over-year growth. At the end, it creates a forecast chart with a visual overview of forecasted values. In the Dashboard tab, the data is summarized visually with key revenue and order numbers. It includes a monthly revenue trend bar chart, revenue by product, an order status breakdown pie chart, and a chart showing forecasted and actual revenue. It also includes a table of the actual monthly revenue by product. The final result is great, especially considering how quickly the model is generated. For small business owners, this can be a major time saver. Next, I want to create a presentation. I ask Moclaw to create a professional sales pitch deck for my AI consulting agency, targeting real estate companies in New York. I want the slides to have a dark blue theme. I also include the services I offer and the exact 10 slides that I want Moclaw to create. I want to receive the presentation as both a PowerPoint and a PDF. The agent first does deep research and then creates the charts and presentation based on the insights it finds. After some time, the presentation is ready. The agent creates both the PowerPoint and PDF files. I will download both files. Let's take a look at the results. In the PowerPoint, I can easily edit any part if I want to make changes later. The agent created exactly the 10 slides I asked for, all with a dark blue theme. It includes research on how large the New York real estate market is, industry trends and AI adoption, and the main pain points in real estate. It presents my AI solutions for the real estate industry and explains how they can help real estate companies. It also gives use cases showing how AI can be used in the industry. There is a competitive analysis showing why my consulting business is the best choice. It also highlights the potential return on investment, showing how AI can improve profitability. My pricing packages are included along with what each package offers. The last slide is a contact page where I can edit and add my company details. It looks very professional with many visuals and well-structured content exactly as I asked. Finally, I want to test website creation capabilities. I want to create a website for my AI consulting services. I want to include the same services as in the presentation. The website style should have a dark blue theme with a modern design. In about a minute, the website is ready and I can download it. It looks professional and includes everything I asked for. It has a call to action section for booking a consultation. It also includes all my services with their descriptions, as well as a section for clients who need custom services that are not listed. It also explains why clients should choose my services and what the process of working with me looks like. There is also a contact form for potential clients who want to get in touch. I really like the website that was created. It looks modern and professional. As you can see, Moclaw can handle a wide range of tasks, from automation and data analysis to dashboards, websites, presentations, and financial modeling. It is easy to use and the agent guides you step by step to help you get exactly what you need. If you'd like to try Moclaw yourself, I will leave the link in the video description. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.